Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing Base's earphones. So these are Base's Bowie MC1 Pro open-ear true wireless earbuds. These earbuds are made with the curve fit U-ring, flexible memory titanium wire which adapts to any ear shape. It comes with 8,000 band test proven resilience, as well as these are having the curve fit cushion. This is an innovative gentle grip with cloud soft comfort for our ears. This one is giving plus 20% of upgraded fullness, and these are an extra unique earbuds. The shape is so very cool, and you just simply put them on your ears like that, and they are extra comfortable. You just don't feel them. It's an open ear type of a design, so you can keep on being aware of your surroundings, and it's not like, completely canceling the noise all around you. You are still aware of your environment, of your surroundings, of like what's going on around you. For your safety, if you are, walking outdoors, especially if you're jogging or running or cycling or doing any type of activities, it's very important to understand your surroundings, to know if there's a car behind you or if there is someone running behind you or, aside of you. It's just really important to understand the noises for our safety. And me as a girl, well, I know what I'm talking about, believe me. These are so talented, you won't believe it. So this is why if you are traveling, especially anywhere, if you are doing any outdoor activities, especially even if you are indoors and you want to keep being aware of your surroundings, of your family, of your pets, where are they located in the room, well, these earbuds is perfect for you as well as it's perfect for me. Well, guys, let's get started with a detailed review. If you are tired of the traditional earbuds that block out the world and leave your ears sore after an hour, well, I've got something different for you. These are the Base's Bowie MC1 open ear clip-on earbuds, and they are unlike anything I've used before. I've been testing them for weeks, and today I am breaking down everything you need to know. Let's start with what makes these stand out. Literally, these are clip-on open ear earbuds that don't go inside of your ear canal at all. They gently clip onto your ears using a 4-point cloud air cushion system that's insanely comfortable. No pressure, no fatigue, and nothing blocking your hearing. They're super lightweight at just 5.2 grams per side, and the flexible C-bridge design adapts to different ear shapes. Even with sunglasses, the fit is secure. I try to walk around with these, exercise with these, and even lay down with these on. They stay put and comfortable. That type of a design means that you can hear your music clearly while still staying fully aware of your surroundings, which is a huge win for city runners, cyclists, or anyone who needs situational awareness. Now, don't let the open ear design to fool you. The sound quality is legit. These use 3 Magna dynamic driver system and a larger 0.8 millimeters of amplitude, as well as these are having a Base's AI adaptive bass boost algorithm installed in. It means that you are getting richer lows, punchier mids, and clear heights, and it is automatically adjusted based on what you are listening to. The soundstage feels wide and natural, and they've engineered a directional sound to minimize any type of a leakage. That means that even that these earbuds are an open ear type of a design, well, your music doesn't blast out for everyone else to hear. So if you care about bass but hate in-ear buds, well, this setup finds a really smart balance. Now let's talk about doing calls. For calls, the dual mix system and DNN adaptive noise cancellation algorithm. These two works in synergy, and now a good example of how this synergy works together is, let's say, a wind noise while cycling is reduced significantly, and my voice comes through crisps even in louder environments. So phone calls are high quality. There is also a physical button control, which is a smart move, so no accidental taps like you sometimes can get with the touch controls. It's an actual button. Plus, if you want even more control, you can customize the button setup in the Base's smart app. And yes, guys, every single thing can be fully customized through the smart application. Now, these earbuds are also waterproof, and they are rated IP57, as well as these are dust proof, so rain or sweat is no issue. Whether you are hitting the gym or stuck in a summer downpour, they'll hold up. Now, battery wise talking, I've gotten close to 9 hours per charge, and that's without the case. If we are talking with the case, you get up to 40 hours total. Moreover than that, a quick 10-minute charge will give you about 2 hours of a playback, which has saved me more than one. So who are these earbuds for? For everyone who wants awareness and safety once they are outdoors, for anyone who hates ear canal pressure. These will be perfect for any type of fitness lovers, as well as for anyone who is a remote worker or a student who want all day wear without any type of fatigue, as well as anyone who wants to experience a great sound without blocking out the world. And guys, these are extra affordable. The MC1 brings real value, especially considered they've been recommended by Grammy and Emmy award winning artists. And now guys, if you want something more high-end, there is also this new MC1 Pro model, which upgrades both the sound and fit. But even the original version is more than enough for the most. So if you're ready to clip on and move bold, the Base's Bowie MC1 might just become your new daily go-to. Well guys, I truly hope this review was helpful for you. These looks extra stylish. I wish they will have them like in a few different colors, or wait, they do have them in a few different colors. So guys, outside of all the technology I talked about, these looks like just a beautiful accessory, and it's definitely bringing lots of attention. I also got tons of compliments walking with these. People were like, what is it? Like, what's going on here? So guys, be so very sure to check Bases out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any type of discount codes, any possible way to save some money of yours. So it's definitely worth it to check out the description box down below this video of mine. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next video. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.